Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to create a group chat on Snapchat. So let's dive in. First thing you want to do is to go ahead to your profile and you want to click on settings. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down to support and you want to select I need help. And after you do that, you're going to go ahead to your search bar and you are going to search for how to create a group chat on Snapchat. Just type in how to create a group chat and we can scroll down to find the option of how to create a group chat. And here it is. Then you want to click on that and you want to read very carefully the instructions of how to create a group chat and the tips. And after you do that, we are going to go back to the chat section. Go back to the chat section, and the next thing you want to do is to click on the blue icon, the new message icon, and you can just select all the friends that you want to send the group chat to. So I'm just going to select 3 of my friends, and you want to click chat with group. Click chat with group and you can see that I have my group. Now you can name the group. All you have to do is to click on the top of your screen and you can give your group a name. I'm just going to name mine the Justice League. And after you do that, you can now send texts to your group, and that is how you send a group chat. You can see that I've sent it. You can also go ahead further and you can view who has seen your group chat. All you have to do is to click on the group chat and you want to click on the chat and you can see that it has already been seen. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.